If you're on the hunt for a project management tool, you've probably heard of Trello. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dig into what makes Trello one of the best Kanban apps out there and where it might fall short. Trello is a visually oriented project management tool that uses a Kanban style board to help users organize tasks. The core functionality revolves around boards, lists, and cards, which you can customize to fit your team's workflow. It's designed for everyone, from solo freelancers to large teams, making it versatile for various project types. Navigating Trello feels intuitive. You can easily drag and drop cards between lists, assign tasks, set due dates, and add labels for better organization. One standout feature is the ability to integrate with numerous other apps like Slack or Google Drive, which can really enhance productivity. However, while the user experience is generally smooth, some aspects feel a bit limited. For instance, advanced reporting features and task dependencies are not as robust as you might find in other project management tools. If you need heavy analytics or complex project tracking, you might find Trello lacking in that department. Let's break down the strengths and weaknesses of Trello. On the plus side, its simplicity is a major draw. You can set up a board in minutes, and the visual layout is great for keeping track of tasks at a glance. Plus, the integrations with other tools can really streamline your workflow. On the flip side, some users might get frustrated with the limitations in features. For instance, while it's fantastic for task management, it lacks advanced functionalities like time tracking or in-depth reporting. Also, the free version has its constraints, which might push teams to consider pay plans for full functionality. If you're a small team or an individual looking for a straightforward project management solution, Trello could be a great fit. But larger teams with complex needs might want to explore alternatives that offer more robust features. In conclusion, Trello is a solid choice for those seeking a user-friendly Kanban project management app. It's especially beneficial for smaller teams or individual projects. However, if you need more advanced features or analytics, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth trying out, but keep your specific needs in mind.